Yo, hello guys and welcome back again to a brand new video. In today's tutorial guys, I will be showing you how to create your website with ChatGPT in 2023. So, first of all guys, I highly recommend to watch this video from now till the end so you don't miss anything and you will not make any wrong or mistake during this tutorial. So, first of all guys, I will need you to go to OpenAI, which is a platform that give us the AI which is called ChatGPT. So when you first open it, go all the way down over here and click on try ChatGPT from here. The second thing guys, for you to be able to watch or see your website in real browser, what I need you to do is simply go to another tab and search for Visual Studio Code, which is a programming software. So here what I'm going to do is click on code.visualstudio.com, and pretty much this is the website. So all you need to do is click on download for Windows through here. So if you don't have Windows, there is no problem with it, because if you click on this icon, you will find here is a list with other options of systems, for example macOS and Linux. Of course you can just keep it simple and open it on your web browser without getting it into your PC, as you can see here. But for me, I like it to be on PC, so I will download it, and I have already installed it in my PC. So now guys, let's go back to ChatGPT, and now what I'm going to do is ask it to write me or to make me a script of HTML, CSS, and PHP, and let's try to make this website look alive in our Visual Studio Code. So first of all, I will write here, for example, write me a simple HTML, CSS, CSS like that, code website uh, with a form and list. So this is an example. So here we go, print, and now let's wait for it until it's actually give us the answer. So as you can see, here is like the documents HTML simple, as you can see. Okay, so now what I'm going to do guys is simply copy this code. So let's try to do this. So now what I'm going to do is sample form website font family. Actually this is not what I asked for, or whatever. Let's see. Okay, it's actually making it for us now. So let's refresh. Right, header, I think. Alright, let's try to copy it. The above code will generate a simple HTML CSS website with a form list. You can replace the dummy data with real data to create your own form post. So now let's try to copy this. Is it correct? Let me just go here, head. Alright, let's go here. So let's open Visual Studio Code and let's write by our own self. So let's open here, and basically when you open it for the first time, you will just need to go and make sure that you have HTML and CSS. So go to extensions. Where is it? So here we go. And from here, search for HTML. Make sure that you have it. Then go to CSS, and also make sure that you have it. So I have it here. So let's go to file, click on new text file, and select the language. Here guys, I will need you to go to HTML. So here it is, and this is the HTML code. Now let's try ahead and try to make this work for us. So let's go here and let's copy this. Let's see what it's going to make for us. So here is the code. Now what I'm going to do is simply click on go live. Now guys, I don't really have this big knowledge in um, like uh, something like programming, something like that, but I'm doing my best here guys, so don't blame me if I made any mistake. Make it over here. Or let's remove this actually and try to paste it like that. All right, and if we remove this, what it is going to do. All right, let's keep it that way, and let's try to launch it now. So let's close it and then let's launch it to see how it's gonna look like. So this is it. So simple form website, as you can see, home, forum, about us. This is like a website. First post, so this is like some stuff like that. Here you can click here, you can click here, of course. As you can see here, this is href. You can do whatever link you'd like to. And here is, for example, first post. So this is like the post that we have. And of course, if you'd like to add the CSS code, you can just click here, new file, and name it. Let's check what it's named. Let's name it, for example, CSS code. And basically here guys, let's remove this actually, and let's make a new file, css.css. And here what I'm going to do is simply go to ChatGPT and again copy this from here, and here it is. So let's go back to our Visual Studio Code, paste this here, and this is our code. So this is pretty perfect for us. So now we need to actually uh, do this. So let's make it in the top of here. So style, I think like that will do the job for us. Let's see. Style sector specifically expected. All right, I created it. No, I think so. Let's see. Let's name it actually style. So style. All right, it is working fine now. But somehow now we need to actually mention this style in our HTML code, which is pretty much easy if you know encoding. Let's try first if it is going to change anything. No. So now I'm going to say here how to add CSS code to HTML. So here using, so let's copy this and see. Um, Here using CSS by using the style attribute inside HTML. So here h1 color blue, okay, and internal CSS, so we can actually do it somehow. External CSS, so I think like that. All right, here it is. So I'm going to copy this and just copy this one, and here we go. So I'm gonna do this and paste it over here. So let's make it here. I think this will do the job if it is correct. Style.css, style, okay, styles. So let's name it styles actually, or let's remove the style from here. So styles, style, style, and that's it. Now I'm going to actually edit this one. Okay, it is correct. Here we go. Style, style. Let's check if there is anything wrong with this. Erase style. Okay, let's go back. Let's edit this once more. Okay, let's make it styles actually. Styles. And here I'm going to do the same thing. So styles. So let's stop it, go live, and let's check if it's gonna work. So this is the style CSS, this is the code, and this is the HTML. So how we can actually link them together now? So this is the thing that we have to do now. So guys, as you can see here, it is now style. So here's the style. So here it is, and basically here is the HTML code. So now in order for you to actually add this style to here, all you need to do is see here, this is style.css. So here what you need to do is right link rel equals style sheet equals href style.css, and then all you need to do is pause this and then go live as you can here. So let's click on it, go live, and now it will open the website. So this is like the website, simple forum website. This is the home, forum, about us, first post, second post, and third post, and simple forum website. So this is like our website. This is how it looks like with the CSS included into it. So yeah guys, of course you can make even more better websites using this ChatGPT function. You can keep writing whatever you'd like to be in this website, and it will include it for you guys. So thank you guys for watching. That was it, and see you guys in the next video.